ye? I think Captain Mole H2O is right ahead.
Oh, there he is.
Over yonder. Ho! Wave ho!
Aye.
Move down the bat latches. Get him out of here. This guy's coming for business. What do you got to say for yourself, Captain Mole?
What?
Oh, what do you mean? Captain H2O. Mr. Mole H2O. No, what do you... end of the earth? I can't go to the end of the earth.
Water's molar mass is 18.
Water's a ubiquitous chemical substance that is composed of hydrogen and oxygen and is vital for all known life forms.
In typical usage, water refers only to its liquid form or state, but the substance also has a solid state, ice, and a gaseous state, water vapor or steam, R.
Water on Earth moves continually through a cycle of evaporation or precipitation on the runoff, usually reaching the sea. Over land, evaporation, transpiration contribute to the precipitation over land.
Water plays an important role in the world economy as it functions as a solvent for a wide variety of chemical substances and facilitates industrial cooling and transportation.
Water is a chemical substance with chemical formula H2O. One molecule of water has two hydrogen atoms covalently bonded to a single oxygen atom.
Approximately 70% of fresh water is consumed by agriculture.
Water appears in nature in all three common states of matter and may take many different forms on Earth. Water vapor and clouds in the sky, seawater and icebergs, in the polar oceans, glaciers and rivers in the mountains, and the liquid in the aquifers in the ground.
Water is a tasteless, odorless liquid at standard temperature and pressure. The color of water and ice is intrinsically a very light blue hue. Although water appears colorless in small quantities, ice also appears colorless, and water vapor is essentially invisible as a gas.
Water is transparent, and thus aquatic plants can live within the water because sunlight can reach them. Only strong UV light is slightly absorbed.
Since the water molecule is not linear, and the oxygen atom has a higher electronegativity than hydrogen atoms, it carries a slight negative charge, whereas the hydrogen atom are slightly positive. The polar nature also favors adhesion to other materials.
Water is a good solvent, and is often referred to as the universal solvent. Substances that dissolve in water, salts, sugars, acids, and some gases are known as hydrophilic, water-loving substances, while those that do not mix well with water, fats and oils, are known as hydrophobic, water-fearing substances.
The maximum density of water occurs at 3.98 degrees Celsius, 39.16 degrees Fahrenheit. Water becomes even less dense upon freezing, expanding 9% in its whole. Arr!
Water covers 71% of the Earth's surface. On Earth, it is found mostly in oceans and other large bodies of water, with 1.6% of water below ground in the aquifers, and 0.001% in the air as vapor clouds, formed of solid and liquid water particles suspended in the air, and precipitation. Ocean holds 97% of the surface water, glaciers and polar ice caps 2.4%, and other land surfaces. Water such as rivers, lakes, and ponds 0.6%. A very small amount of the Earth's surface is contained within biological bodies and manufactured products. For the blimey, water blubber.
Oh, you scallywag.
You scallywag will never come back
hit
to
the
you.
deck, you.
Hit the deck, you mate.
Eh.